G80 wants to smoke. The Mickley Stickleys is hot, my boy. They ready. Goddamn shoes sound like SpongeBob's boots. What's happening, guys? Welcome back to another video. Yo, you guys wanna hear something funny? On why I don't even want a G80 anymore? I watched these guys take the entire interior from a G80, dash, door panels, front seats, rear seats, direct swapped it into an M340i. At that point, I was like, bruh, it's damn near stupid to buy a G80. Like, yeah, you get the more aggressive body, you get the S58, but what else are you actually getting if you really think about it, besides the interior? Is that really worth an extra 50K coming from having an M340i? Like, yeah, it's not an M3, but like, bruh, you get a B58, slap a turbo on this thing, you can make 800 all day long. Everybody knows that. So it's like, when it comes to power potential, they're damn near the same. Obviously, stock turbo versus stock turbos on the S58. S58 is gonna blow the B58 out of the water. But upgrade versus upgrade, like, you kind of can get the same outcome as far as power. Like, yeah, this is not gonna be better on a track, but it's like, how many people really buy a G80 M3 to drive it on a track? I don't even see anyone driving those things on a track. Once I saw the power potential on the G80, I was like, damn, I kind of want one, you know? It's like just full bolt-on, make 700, 750. Like, that's great, but I'm like, for the spec that I would want, it's 100 grand. And I got this car for 50. I got my little G79, I'm happy. We have a beautiful day here in California, and yesterday we had a hurricane. Now look at today. Crazy, right? They literally overhyped that shit so much, like, it's just like, damn, what are y'all trying to cover up? They were like, oh, you guys gotta get ready, this is gonna be category 3. Bruh, the rain was literally regular traffic. But yeah, man, we got a beautiful day. I am currently headed to Vato Zone. I need to grab some things. I'm going to be working on the Z. I know I mentioned I was gonna have my guy come and do some of the wiring, but I'm just gonna do the shit myself. I'm getting very tired of trying to rely on people to do shit for me, so it's like, if I could do it, why not do it? Or at least try, you know what I'm saying? I forgot when we first put the car together, it was kind of like a half-ass wiring job just to get it to run. So I totally forgot that we had like some thin wiring. So I think just adding some thicker wire will probably solve the issue, and we should be good. Here we are, good old Vato Zone. You can only pull up here and buy shit if you a down ass fool. What I love about this 340, this shit got the front lip camera. Sheesh, no mammy. Save your lip every time. And welcome back to Shoe Palace. Got my beautiful babies here. The S2 Kizzle, the 380Z, the S5 Tizzle. So I've been talking to a new fabricator recently about the turbo kit. Something really simple. I basically just need new V-band flanges on the manifold, and that's pretty much it. So it's probably max, like maybe an hour or two job. Like it shouldn't really take that long. He's gonna try to squeeze me in soon. He's not like 100% sure when, but hopefully soon. New turbo, new downpipe, and send it, see what happens. Obviously it's gonna need a retune. I'll probably tune it first on wastegate just to see what kind of numbers it makes. Right now the current wastegate pressure is like 23, 24 pounds, around that area. At that boost, it definitely should be somewhere in like the lower mid 8s. I guess maybe just see how the car does with like maybe like 850 or so. Beat on it a little bit and see if the rods hold up. Like I said before, the motor that's in here, I guess you could say it's kind of maxed out, but we really just don't know until we actually really push it. And I mean, if it blows, it blows. If it bends a rod, it bends a rod. Like, I'm not really tripping or concerned. It was a built used motor that I put in here. I did not build it myself. I still have everything to build an entire new motor. I have CP pistons, rods, Tomei cams, valves, retainers, springs. I have everything. So if shit does go south with the current motor that's in here, like, I will not even be tripping. It is what it is. It's race car shit. Shit happens. Even though this thing's been running flawlessly for over a year now, if it did blow up or something would happen, you already know people are gonna come talking shit like, oh, it's the tuner, it's this, it's that. Like, nah, bro, I'm just maxing my fucking engine out. It has cheap ass rods in there. They're just like Eagle rods. Like, those rods are rated for like 800 crank, and this thing's putting down 786 torque to the wheel basically. So yeah, it's already over the torque rating. So we'll see what it does on the new turbo. Sol was a damn good tuner though, so I'm pretty sure we'll be able to utilize all the power without actually blowing this shit up. It's really just gonna be on the engine if it takes it or not. The end goal, I guess you could say, would probably high 800s, like 900. If we can get this thing to hook over 850, 900, this thing will be moving. Let's hop into what we need to do. This is what we got going on. I know this shit looks like a hot mess right now. Trust me, I'm gonna clean it up. You see this thin ass wire right here? Like, yeah, this has to go. I'm pretty sure this is my issue. I need to match up the wire with something similar to this. A little bit thicker, because on my other switch panel that I have for like all my fans, my gauges, everything like that, I have no issue with that one. I can run all 4 switches and it's good. It runs warm, but it never gets like hot. This shit, bro, when I run 3 switches, bro, the fuse, if I touch the fuse, this shit is like burning hot. That motherfucker would be like 1,000 degrees. Put thicker wiring right here, and I think at that point we will be good. I should not have any issues. So you know, this is just an easier way to wire it up. Like, we could just do it directly to like the ignition switch, but you know, I don't really care. I've always liked doing it this way because it's just easy to, like, you know, turn them on and off. Electrician Kicks is about to get active in here, and I'm gonna clean this stuff up and see if I can make this shit work. All right, guys, let me show you where I'm at right now. So I got all the new butt connectors on here. Yes sir, yes sir. And as you can see here, I'm pretty sure this is the problem. I totally forgot we had this skinny ass wire on there. Look at that shit. This wire probably just wasn't keeping up with the volts, and that's why I was getting hot. That shit is like 3 hair strands, so pretty sure we're gonna fix this problem. If this doesn't work and it still keeps getting hot, then I'll just put one of the switches on this side, and after that, like, we should have no issues, like 100%. All right, guys, all the butt connectors are good. Ground is good. I need one more butt connector for the power source, but it's fine right now. Some electrical tape. Once I confirm that this is working good, I'm gonna electrical tape all that, clean it up, and let's put the battery back on real quick and test it. Electrical kicks. Sometimes you just gotta do shit yourself, guys. What do you guys think? You guys think it's gonna work? I don't know which one's which, but let's see. Okay. Okay, in tank. Pump number 2. We good. So yeah, true test is to drive around, all 3 switches on, and I'll be able to know like right away, because within like not even 5 minutes, bro, the fuse is like blazing hot. I have some stuff to do right now and later tonight, so I don't know if I'll have any time to test drive it today, but I'm pretty confident that's gonna fix the issue.
The following day.
All right, guys, let's fire this bad boy up. Electrician Kicks. We out here. It's always the trucks, bro. It's always the trucks. My God, this shit sounds so good, bro. Nothing sounds like my goddamn Z, bro. I don't care. So currently, I'm running both of the pumps. I'll be able to tell within like 5 minutes, because that shit gets hot fast, or it used to. So we'll see in about 5 to 10 minutes. I mean, obviously, I'm gonna drive the car around for like 15, 20 just to kind of confirm. But as of right now, it seems pretty cool. That smell of that fresh corn, delicious. Yeah, I don't know what happened. All of a sudden, my gas gauge wants to go all the way up. So I don't know if that shit miraculously fixed herself or if it's just broken and it's stuck there now. I don't know. Little F80. I know he heard that. For sure broke his neck. Cause I'd break my neck if I heard some shit fly by like that. Like, what the Is that a UFO, dog? Alright, so I just opened the door and like kind of pulled out the switch panel and felt on the fuse, and I could physically actually touch the fuse. The other day I had it on for not even 5 minutes and that shit was like damn near gave me 3rd-degree burns. So already huge improvement, so I think we might be good. Maybe. G80 wants to smoke. You don't want that, my boy. You better go get a tune. Trust me, my boy. You don't want that. It gave me the thumbs up though. Woo! She feels good, man. I ain't did that in a while. I was waiting for some smoke. Ah, I love this car, bro. It always gets me like jittery. The adrenaline this shit gives me is like unmatched. Is he going on the freeway? If he's going on the freeway, I'm going. She needs to eat. My baby ain't ate in a while. Got a nice color on there, got the orange. The Mickley Stickleys is hot, my boy, they ready. Pull up. Oh, yup. This is where she really eats. This car is not for the city streets, it's too much. Don't run away, sir. This damn car, man. It just can't explain. Yeah, honestly guys, by now this shit would have been melted a fuse. This is the longest I've ever had both of the pumps on. I mean, only time will tell, but as of right now it seems fixed. Just gonna let you guys enjoy the beautiful noises of my Z. Can I get a oh yeah? Bro, this shit sounds so fucking sick. Like, I'll never get tired of it ever, like, in life. I'll be 99 years old. Matter of fact, I'll be in my goddamn coffin taking my last breath and I'll be like, I just want to drive my Z one more time. That shit is phenomenal, bruh. Yeah, and right now my gas gauge is actually working accurate. That's pretty accurate. Huh, interesting. Fix itself or what? I have PTSD, bro. Like I keep like going over here and touching the switch panel to see if it's hot. It's happened to me quite a few times. I think I melted like 4 or 5 fuses. But right now she's doing all right. Well, what do I see? What do I see over there? Is that an R8? Oh, tell me you're turning right. Go right, go right, go right. Ah, fuck. No. Oh, that would have been a lovely gap for the channel. It's been a while since I gave a supercar the sauce on this thing. Damn it. Got one of my sons right here though. He actually tried to gas on me. I don't know if he knows who he's trying to gas on, but he about to find out. Oh shit, I think we got the ops behind me. I hope it's not the ops. I can hate Ford Explorers, bruh. Shit's be pissing me off. Should be illegal to have them cars. Come on, son. What's up, Doc? I don't know if you guys heard him or not. That shit was funny. I love it. I love it. You've never failed to put a smile on my face after all these years. Even when you was NA and slow, you still put a goddamn smile on my face. And I love you for that. Woo! I love it. Let's turn this joint off. You have done well. I think we good, guys. No, we good. Nah, before, bro, I promise you guys, I touched that shit, I was like, ah, god damn. And it was only on for like 3 to 5 minutes. I've had this thing on for like a cool 20-30 minutes, and it's fine. So I think we good. I'm pretty sure that was the issue. Well, guys, that is obviously great news. I basically fixed the car myself. Didn't have to wait on anyone. Just, you know, sometimes you just gotta do shit yourself. Hopefully we can tackle this new turbo kit setup and get that thing on there soon and make some more power and go faster. So yeah, on that note, guys, I'm gonna end the video here. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Be sure to drop a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. Catch you guys in the next video.